Enjoy 20 Plus, which included a 6.63 Full HD Plus notchless LCD, has a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek's Montana 6853 SoC and will have two RAM options, 6GB and 8GB. The Enjoy 20 Plus will run Android 10 based EMUI 10.1 and have 128GB of storage onboard. The smartphone will come with a total of 4 cameras, a 16MP snapper mounted on a pop-up mechanism, and a triple camera setup on the back consisting of a 48MP, 8MP and 2MP units. The Enjoy 20 Plus will be offered in 4 colors and pack a 4200 mAh battery that will charge through a USB-C port at up to 40W. The smartphone will be 8.95mm thick, weigh 197 grams, and support 5 grams networks. Images of the regular Enjoy 20 have also appeared, showing the smartphone in black color. There's no word from Huawei about the Enjoy 20 Duo yet, but the Plus model, according to China Telecom, will arrive in early September.